First, make a black wooden background for the menu card. Make a duplicate of it. Place the main plate image. And just erase the unwanted things around the plate by using the layer mask. By using the curves, add some little brightness to the wooden table. With the use of level, add some darkness and shadows to the plate. By using drop shadow, create a shadow effect on the image. Just I drag and drop some leaves images at the corner of the plate. I cut this leaves inside the plate. Add the restaurant name and make the title larger. And turn the layer to overlay. Make some duplicates. And play with the opacity. Just add some brush splash. And I add this food text above to it. Make some shadows. Use sharper shadow for the light flow. And add some elements to the menu card. By adding these elements gives an attractive design feel. Make web address larger. Add some timings to it. Drop the address below the image. Let's go with inside menu card. In these I placed some plate images on the menu card. Just I searching for best place to fit. Then created some brightness to them, with curves. Create a little shadow effect. Like the front, I added some main text to this. Also, you can place your logo in these. For the menu items listing, make a rectangular stroke and square for insert some menu. Align all them to proper. Take a duplicate from it and make it smaller. Then I added some menu topics to it. Place the menu as you want. Let's little speed up the process. Just I making some alignment in the design. Drag it to the top. Next is same, I duplicate the brush strain and added the text. Add some visual food elements by place the curry leaf here. And add the drop shadow. Make this barbecue little big. And make some final adjustments.